folks, my name's Ken.Quick. I'm a retired teacher and coach from Idaho. It's my pleasure today to show you this 2017 35.2 Miramar, Thor Miramar. If you have any questions about this coach or any other coach, please give me a call at 208-250-8625. Let's go inside and take a look around. This coach has a great floor plan, wide open, opposing slides. This is the bedroom, king-size bed, lots of storage up above, window in the back. Over here you've got great closet space, lots of room for your clothes. You can see the drawers down below. All that space comes in handy. Good sized television back here. As we move forward, nice dressing mirror here, full length mirror. Across the hall, if you wanted a washer and dryer, we can arrange to put that in here for you. A stacker, top and bottom. Right here we've got a great pantry with a couple of slide drawers. Always nice to be able to see what you have already. That way you don't go buy more corn if you already got 4 cans of it. Here's our nice bathroom right here, big shower, vanity, stainless steel sink. Look at the storage. Got lots of storage in here. Just a great floor plan. Residential refrigerator here, Whirlpool. With a big freezer, ice maker. Perfect for ice cream or bringing some frozen steaks along for extended stays. You have an oven and a big microwave. Underneath here you're going to have your 3-burner stove. All Corian countertops, lights underneath. Now, here we got a double sink, small sink and a large sink built right in. I love this floor plan. Got your nice rinse hose here on the sink. Plenty of storage underneath. Room for a garbage can. Got to have that. Storage up above. As we look across, you've got a large TV here in the living room. Over here we've got a big, look at the size of this table. Look at the depth on this table. You could have your main courses sitting right here, and you've got plenty of room to have a couple people on each side. Drink holders here, windows for nice flow, ventilation. These are the frameless windows that pop out from the bottom so you can have them open during the rainstorm. And up here we've got more cupboards, more storage. Now here's what I really like. Right here you've got theater seating. And the reason we have theater seating is because we have a pop-up television right over here. Here's our control for our TV right here. Pop-up television, so when you want a TV you can put it up. When you don't want a TV you can put that down and have your window back. That takes a little while to come up, but it's going to get there. Got a couch that turns into a bed right here. And I said, like, the theater seating across from this TV makes it really easy to watch a movie with the family. You got a nice bonus here. As we look forward, you're going to see a drop-down bed that's going to be enough for 2 people up there. Adds to the excitement if you're taking the grandkids or some friends with you. Always good to have family and friends with you on a trip. So this drops down, the bed's right up top up here. Very, very comfortable seats here in this coach. Pleasure to drive. You got cruise control, you got auto leveling, you've got side cameras and backup camera, heated mirrors. You've got all your controls here. Beautiful cockpit. If you look across over here, your co-pilot has a desk that swings right back in. Let me demonstrate that for you. Goes right back in just like that when you don't want the desk, but it makes it nice for a computer or play video games or whatever you want to do as a co-pilot. Read a magazine, do a puzzle, or color. As we go to the first storage area here, let me show you something real quick here. Alloy wheels, big tires and wheels. Big tires and wheels make a great ride. You can see you've got LED lights. That's also an awning over the doorway. And when this is extended out here, the awning extended out here, full length along here, you get lots of room outside. Over here we look at our first storage area. Up above it goes all the way through. Same thing with the next one back here, all the way through. Full body paint coach. TV outside, right here for outside entertainment. Goes through right here, so you got a ton of storage for fishing poles, anything long, plenty of room. You can put things back in there. Little storage unit here. Another storage unit here in the back, goes all the way across again. Here's your propane tank, easy fill, they'll hook you up. You don't have to move tanks. Piece of cake. As we come around the back, there's your tow hitch already hooked up. Backup cameras, lights back here, which is really a nice feature. You can see them on both sides. Gas tank right here in the back. You got a 5500 Onan generator, great generator, Cummins. 50 amp service, electrical. As we move up forward, see the size of those tires, Michelin tires, great. Got an outdoor shower back here, you got water filter. Moving forward, these are side opening doors on the storage area. These are the way to go. You're not banging your head. Obviously, you want to get all your stuff out before you put your slides out. Makes it a lot easier. Got more storage along the side. Couple of house batteries right there to run the operation. This is your side camera. So when you're driving down the road, you put your left signal on, you can see down the left side of the coach. If you put your right signal on, it's going to come up on the camera inside and show you down the right side of your coach. It's great for backing up, and it's also great before you change lanes. Again, if you have any questions about this coach or any other coach, please ask for Coach. I go by Coach here. There's too many Kens running around, so ask for Coach, and I will be glad to answer the questions. If you can come in, be glad to show you around. We've got a large inventory here, so it's been a pleasure to show you around today here at Guaranty RV. Have a wonderful New Year's, and have a great day.